Hey, what's up everybody, it's me here, Joshua C reporting for you. Guess what we have today? Yep, we got our hands on the HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus. So you've seen the P40 Pro unboxing recently and you might be wondering what's the difference between these two. Well, that's what I'm here for. So by looking at the box design, it's probably the same with an added plus beside the zero. But that's not just it, because there are three main differences between the P40 Pro and the P40 Pro Plus which offer more of an advantage. The three main differences are the design, cameras and charging. Okay, let's talk about the main difference in the design first. On the front, it has the same 6.58-inch 90Hz quad curve overflow OLED display like the P40 Pro. But when you take a closer look at the back of the P40 Pro Plus, you'll notice there's a major difference in the material used on the back cover. It is now built with an advanced Nano-Tech Ceramic material which is harder, more scratch resistant and more conductive than the previous glass material. This means you don't have to worry about any accidental scratches by your keys in your pockets, and the temperature on your phone will be well distributed and won't heat up easily. The whole appearance of the back looks stunning with its reflective glossiness, so much so that it can be my second mirror to check and tidy up my hairstyle. Now the camera housing on the P40 Pro Plus has also gone larger because it has more cameras to fit into it. Yes, the P40 Pro Plus now has two telephoto lenses which replaces the 5x optical zoom into the 8MP 10x optical zoom telephoto lens, and also an 8MP 3x optical zoom on the top right of the housing, moving the LED flashlight down to the bottom. Now with the 10x optical zoom, it is twice the size of the one on P40 Pro. You can now get a crystal clear cut 10x zoom photos and even in videos without losing the pixels on the videos or crop out pictures, and even achieve up to 100x super zoom. Furthermore, there is still the 50MP HUAWEI f 1.9 main camera, 40MP f1.8 ultra wide angle cine lens, a 3D TOF lens for better depth sensing, and 32 plus TOF sensor dual selfie camera on the front. In addition, the camera features on the phone aids the whole picture and video capturing experience as well. These include the AI remove passerby that removes any paper that might accidentally get into your picture, the golden snap feature that can snap your best golden moment, and the audio zoom feature that pick up the audio clearly from far away when you zoom in, so you'll get to catch secrets between your friends if you see them whispering from far without having to learn to read lips. So the last advantage you get from the P40 Pro Plus is faster wireless charging that allows you to charge up to 40 watt of wireless charging supercharged with the HUAWEI Supercharged Wireless Charger stand, and 27 watt of reverse wireless charging as well. So charging this 4200 mAh battery capacity phone will probably be as fast as drinking a cup of coffee during your tea time break. But I'm pretty sure with all those amazing features, most of you are still wondering if your daily apps can be used on this device. Well, with the HUAWEI AppGallery, you can now get all your local daily apps onto your P40 Pro Plus and also transfer all the apps from your old devices to your new device with an ease through the phone clone app as well. So overall, at 4,999 ringgit, you'll get all the added advantage including the Kirin 995G chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM, 512GB of storage, and also the other main features from the P40 Pro. Let me know what you think about the P40 Pro Plus in the comments below, and do subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Hit the bell icon and catch our latest gadget reviews. I'm Joshua C. See you next time. Ciao!